Fix your PC/device needs to be repaired. The boot configuration data for your PC is missing or contains errors. Case study 1, your PC/device needs to be repaired. The boot configuration data for your PC is missing or contains errors. File /boot/bcd error code 0xC0000000F. Solution 1, Step 1, refer to the following guide. Create installation media for Windows at https://goo.gl/hjvals to create an installation media. Step 2, perform automatic repair. See detailed instructions in the point 1 under case study 3 below. Step 3, rebuild BCD from command prompt under WinPE. To do this, type bootrex/fixboot, and then press enter. Type bootrex/fixboot, and then press enter. Type bootrex/rebuild, and then press enter. Step 4, perform a system restore using the installation media. Possible solution 2, run chkdsk in Windows PE, WinPE. Set your PC to boot from CD/DVD/USB. Here's how at https://goo.gl/mvtigx. About boot priority. Note, if you get some error message when using the USB installation disk, try to install using a DVD rather than a USB. Insert an original setup disk of Windows OS. Launch the option repair your computer. Now, check if your system partition is still in working order, and show the right size of that partition. Refer to the drive 0 partition 2 in the following image. Locate the problematic partition, hit the next button. Now, run the following commands one by one. Disk part list volume chkdsk/r/fd. Possible solution 3, run bootrex/rebuild in WinPE. Load the command prompt. The advanced options. Run bootrex/rebuild. Plan B, run the following commands. Disk part cell disk 0 list vol. Case study 2, the boot configuration data for your PC is missing or contains errors. File, /EFI/Microsoft/boot/BCD error code, 0xC0000014. Possible solution 1, fix your boot items in Windows PE, WinPE. Note, the Windows 7 media creation tool is not compatible for advanced troubleshooting on Windows 10. Type below commands one by one to rebuild your MBR. bootrex/fixboot, bootrex/fixboot, bootrex/scanos, bootrex/rebuild. For starters, you may also try using EasyBCD instead. Restart your computer. Possible solution 2, run chkdsk/f/rx, where the problematic drive letter places, from the command prompt in WinPE. Possible solution 3, try backing up your personal data and reset your computer by choosing the option Keep My Files. Warning, 1. It reinstalls Windows 10 and keeps your personal files, removes apps and drivers you installed, removes changes you made to settings and removes any apps your PC manufacturer installed. 2. If you reset your computer within a month of your upgrade to Windows 10, the option in settings that lets you go back to your previous version of Windows will no longer be available. Case study 3, your PC /device needs to be repaired. The boot configuration data file is missing some required information. File, /BCD error code, 0xC000000341. Make and connect your own system recovery drive. Here's how to make one at https://goo.gl/psw. Create a recovery drive, to your PC. Note, if you do not have recovery tools with you, you may create an installation media and perform an automatic repair. Here's how at https://goo.gl/jqmuyear. How to use the advanced startup options to fix your Windows 8 or 10 PC. 2. Load your system the above mentioned WinPE, and choose the command prompt option. 3. Run the following /Windows command. Other voices on the web. 1. Run system file checker, SFC. 2. Run DISM tool. See details at https://goo.gl/vz2yaj. Fix Windows update errors by using the DISM or System Update Readiness tool. 3. On UEFI supported systems, try the following commands. Disk part list volume, select the volume that is labeled ESP. Assign letter equals Z exit boot C:\Windows/SC/FUEFI.